Yo, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Hit the Button. So guys, if you guys might have noticed, it's been a long time since I've talked in my videos. Looks like right now I'm doing it again. But anyway, today we're going to be doing the doubles right here. So what I'm going to do, like I did in the other videos, I'm going to turn that microphone off so I can get a good score. So yeah, so I hope you guys like the video. Click the like button if you like it, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn the microphone off. And then when the time is up, I'm going to turn that microphone back on and I'll continue talking by then. So I'm going to turn the microphone off in 3, 2, 1. Yo, hello guys, I'm back. So you can see here, guys, it says your time is up. You scored 61 out of 65. Excellent work. So if you think 61 out of 65 is a good score, tell me in the comments, because I think it is. I mean, 61 and 65 are a big number, or big numbers I should say. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and comment on my other videos. Yeah, so goodbye everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.